guys, today I'm going to be making slime using the Elmer's Slime Starter Kit. I'm going to give you a list of the ingredients that you're going to need. First, well, obviously, you're going to need the starter pack. Then you're going to be needing a bowl. Disappear. Here. Then you're going to be needing a mixing tool. This is optional. Glitter, if you want to make your slime pop with brightness and colour. And then you're going to be needing a pen or a pencil because the glitter pens are very hard to get out. Let's get started by taking the things out of this.
So, first we have some magic liquid. We have about 2 bottles of that. 2 bottles of magic liquid. 2 bottles of clear glue.
And most importantly, the thing that's very hard to get out, the glitter pens. There we go. So, and there should also be some instructions on this piece of paper and on the back of the pack. Back of the pack, that's nice to see. Okay, so let's get started. Pour out the entire bottle of clear glue. There's red, yellow, green and blue. I'm going to be taking, let's go with blue. And then you're going to start swirling it in. Oh, it's so beautiful. Pour in as much as you want. Then you take your mixing tool and mix until the colour is evenly mixed in the bowl. Then you add 1 bottle of the magical liquid, a little bit at a time, and you mix until the mixture gets harder to, well, mix. That's 1 bottle of magical liquid.
It should start getting harder to form.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is just making a squelching noise that's not very amazing. So far, it should look like this. And then you start kneading it. Oh crap. Oh wow, that's actually really nice. Oh dude, this is so good. It's like cotton candy. That's not the thingy. A little shine and sparkle. Let's add some red pen. Red. Oh my gosh, it's like so beautiful. Always use a slime pack for making slime because those are the only things that actually work. Okay, this is actually very disturbing. I can't get it off my hands. So now I finished it and it should look like this. Thanks for watching this video.